Have you ever wondered how the giant machines in factories and construction sites work? We often see them working smoothly, but behind them lies a complex system and incredible power. Let's explore the world of these industrial machines, where human power is multiplied many times. When talking about Queensland coal mines, the CAT 793F cannot be overlooked, as this giant machine plays a crucial role in the efficiency of mining operations here. With a payload capacity of up to 363 tons, the CAT 793F transports double the amount of coal compared to conventional trucks. The efficiency of the CAT 793F is also evident in its fuel-saving capabilities and operating costs. Thanks to its powerful engine and optimized hydraulic drive system, the CAT 793F consumes less fuel, helping to reduce costs for the mine. Combining two Caterpillar D8 T-dozers in clearing scrubland demonstrates outstanding power and efficiency. Utilizing a system called brush chaining, these two machines work in tandem to handle even the most giant trees. The D8 T-dozers are renowned for their power, traction, and unstoppable performance, allowing them to navigate through dense vegetation easily. Their combined force and synchronized movement effectively illuminate large areas, making them highly efficient in vegetation management projects and land clearing initiatives. A land bulldozer with a roller blade, known as a tapadora con rollo, is designed to quickly and efficiently flatten and level the ground. The roller blade, made of steel or rubber, ranges in diameter from 30 chem to 122 chem, enabling more effective operation than traditional bulldozer blades. Using a roller blade helps minimize damage to the soil and vegetation while creating a smooth and even ground surface. Bulldozers with rollers come in various sizes and are suitable for small civil and large construction projects. The Cemex CBE50 can crush hard materials such as concrete, rocks, bricks, and wood into desired small pieces. It crushes construction waste, industrial waste, household waste, etc., reducing landfill area and protecting the environment. Landfill compaction. The crusher crushes rocks and soil, creating landfill material and facilitating quick and efficient land reclamation. The Cemex CBE50 can crush materials at high speeds, handling large quantities quickly and meeting high demand across various sectors. The AK640SA is a scrap wood shredder boasting a power of up to 120 Q and a cutting capacity of 400 tons, allowing it to process large volumes of scrap wood efficiently. Notably, the machine can adjust output sizes from 20M to 120M, catering to various purposes. With a recycling capability of up to 70%, the AK640SA contributes to environmental conservation and natural resource preservation. Moreover, its use reduces labor and transportation costs. The Limbbuster tree saw attachment is among the top choices for cutting tree branches in various locations. This tool can be attached to multiple lawnmower machines, allowing users to utilize existing equipment without additional investment. Sharp saw blades and a sturdy frame save users time and effort. Moreover, safety is ensured through features such as blade guards and sturdy handles. With superior power and lightning-fast splitting speed, the atom cone splitter on the Takuchi 2-ton is an indispensable companion for wood processing. It doesn't just stop at splitting large and stubborn wood chunks, it also proves to be exceptionally flexible when mounted on the Takuchi, quickly moving to wherever you need it. With its compact design and top priority on safety, using this wood splitter becomes more straightforward and more reassuring than ever before. With unparalleled power and lightning-fast splitting speed, the atom cone splitter on the Takuchi 2-ton is an indispensable companion in wood processing. It doesn't just stop at splitting large and stubborn wood chunks, it also exhibits remarkable flexibility when mounted on the Takuchi, effortlessly moving to wherever you need it. With its compact design and top priority on safety, using this wood splitter becomes more straightforward and more reassuring than ever before. Nabi Kenny Hedge Cutting and Groundworks, a company specializing in fence trimming and groundwork, has upgraded its machinery by utilizing the new Oriole tree shear attachment on its Hitachi excavator provided by Gaynor Plant Sales. The Oriole tree shear attachment mounted on the Hitachi excavator helps swiftly remove trees and ensures workers' safety. The Hitachi excavator can lift and move large trees quickly, saving time and effort in tree removal tasks. Expanding service offerings, Nabi Kenny can now undertake projects involving the removal of larger and more complex trees thanks to the capabilities of the new machinery. Modern machinery demonstrates Nabi Kenny's commitment to providing high quality and professional services to customers. The TigerCat L870CE, a forestry harvesting machine manufactured by TigerCat, a leading U.S. company in heavy machinery for the forestry industry, was introduced in 2018 and quickly became one of the most popular choices for timber harvesting contractors worldwide. Equipped with a Caterpillar C13, a CERT diesel engine with a displacement of 12.5 liters, it generates 560 horsepower. The L870C utilizes the TigerCat LogMax 750 cutting system, capable of felling trees with up to 91 cm diameters. This cutting system features high-strength, titanyl alloy, saw blades, and precise hydraulic control, ensuring high accuracy and efficiency in the cutting process. With its powerful tree felling system, the L870C employs the TigerCat D6 tree felling system, capable of felling trees at speeds of up to 20 meters per minute. This tree felling system has ultra-durable titanyl alloy rollers and automatic pressure adjustment, ensuring clean and efficient tree felling. The Rollo Fasa Katrina 9000 stands out as a strong contender in the list of feed grinders on the market today. With its sturdy structure and high durability, the Rollo Faxa Katrina 9000 excels at grinding animal feed. This machine can finely grind various feed ingredients from corn, wheat, and soybeans to hay, straw, and dry grass. This helps meet the diverse nutritional needs of livestock. Another standout feature of the Rollo Faxa Katrina 9000 is its energy efficiency. With its simple design and user-friendly operation, the machine operates efficiently with low energy consumption, reducing operating costs and environmental impact. There are many fascinating machines in the world beyond imagination. Please comment 1 if you like this content or 0 to express dissatisfaction. The Tatra Phoenix features 10 wheels, independent suspension, and a powerful engine. With its 10x10 configuration, the Tatra Phoenix can conquer challenging terrain, from deserts to steep mountain slopes. It can carry up to 70 tons of heavy cargo and easily transport bulky and heavy cargo. Its robust chassis and full-time four-wheel drive system enable smooth movement across all terrains, overcoming any obstacle. The 50/20-ton overhead crane is an efficient machine for slag pouring, thanks to the following advantages. It can lift slag containers weighing up to 50 tons, facilitating easy and safe transportation. The overhead crane can move over a wide range, allowing slag pouring at various locations on the slag pit. Its modern control system enables precise movement and positioning of the slag container, ensuring accurate slag pouring. With these advantages, the 50/20-ton overhead crane plays a crucial role in steel production, ensuring efficient and safe slag pouring operations. The steam-powered snowplow R12 was manufactured in 1913 by Maschinenfabrik Esslingen in Germany. Initially, R12 was used by the Valley Railway to clear snow on the Simplon Pass railway line. Today, R12 is one of the oldest operating steam-powered snowplows in the world. It is an integral part of Switzerland's railway heritage and is regularly used to clear snow on the Furka Pass railway line. R12 is also a tourist attraction, drawing history and engineering enthusiasts to visit and experience it firsthand. The Strautmann Verdi Mix SF1702 FHD feed mixer is crucial in enhancing farm livestock efficiency. With a mixing tank capacity of up to 17 m and a mixing capacity of up to 300 m/hour, the machine saves time and effort for farmers. Furthermore, with a powerful engine capacity of up to 286 horsepower and a dual auger mixing system, the machine ensures uniform feed mixing according to standard nutritional formulas. The Split Force 13/20T wood splitter is a valuable assistant for small farms, with a powerful splitting force of up to 20 tons, making it easy to handle all types of wood. With a fast splitting speed of just 4 seconds per cycle and a simple design, the machine is easy to operate and suitable for users of all levels. Equipped with an integrated safety system, the machine ensures safety for users, is durable, and is made of high-quality materials. The machine operates smoothly and is compact, suitable for farms with limited space. The RTG 3750/72 livestock roller features an 8 m thick steel plate central shaft and 1500. Special steel blades, 9.5 m. The optimized distance between the blades enhances crushing performance. The machine operates smoothly and quietly using acetyl plastic bearings with stable weight and high load capacity.